Agents of socialization: family, peer group, school, mass media, work. Some detail going on. Agents of socializations are individuals, groups, and institutions that contribute to the formal and informal socialization of members of a society. They serve to teach and model expected behavior and to transmit values and beliefs and traditions. Important agents of socializations listed below. Look at this. Agents of socialization: family, including language, acquisition, relationship, rules, initial social interactions, morals, role models, behavior, etc. Peers: activities, trends, religion, values, love for others, meaning of life, guidelines on how to live, government, laws, sense of security, sanctions or punishment, media, stereotype, trends, how to act, work, employment, money, rules, roles, ethnic background, beliefs, values, customs, clubs and social groups, social interaction, rules governing activities, school, grammar roles, social setting, values, etc. Some more detail about agents of socialization. Family and parents. The family has the greatest impact on socialization. Infants are totally dependent on others, and the responsibility to look after the young ones typically falls on parents, on other family members. It is matter of child survival. School and teachers. Schooling enlarges children's social world to include people with backgrounds different from their own. Among the manifest functions, the schools teach children a wide range of knowledge and skills. Schools informally convey other lessons which might be called the hidden curriculum. Next, peer group. Peer group is the one whose members have interest, social position and age in common, unlike the family and the school. The peer group lets children escape the direct supervision of adults. Among the peers, children learn how to form relationship on their own. Next, the mass media. The mass media are impersonal communication aimed at a vast audience. Mass media as communication technology. First, the newspapers, and then radio, television, films, and internet. Spreads information on a mass scale. The mass media have an enormous effect on our attitudes and behavior, and on shaping people's opinion about issues, as well as what by. Religion. It plays a significant role in the socialization of most people in our society. It influences morality. Becoming a key component in people's ideas of right and wrong. The influence of religion extends to many areas of our lives. For example, participation in religious ceremonies not only teaches beliefs about the hereafter, but also ideas about dress, concepts, and manners appropriate for formal occasions. Thank you. Have a nice day.